Okay, friends, we are going to take a look at a way to develop some additional dexterity, digital dexterity. I've shown you before in other videos using the Chinese balls or the hand therapy balls. This is a custom set that I have. Now we're going to just look at something real simple. Go to your dollar store, 99-cent store, whatever. Just get yourself some inexpensive sponges, some erasers, any little thing that you find. Cut the sponges up. Get your chopsticks. So remember that with your chopstick, thumb and ring finger is the stabilizer, and then the thumb, forefinger, and middle finger is the moving and grooving. So it's very simple. Just pick up the different pieces and move them across. Now, I've only laid out part of my collection. I also have rubber bands, clothespins, paper clips, and so on and so forth. But because there's space here, I didn't want to have them dropping down onto the ground through the open spaces. But what you simply do is lay one chopstick in the center just to give you something to come over, and then move everything across. Now, once you've got everything moved across, yes, you guessed it, you're going to just change hands again. So thumb and ring finger, and then thumb and forefingers for the rest of it. Now, I'm not as good with my left hand as I am with my right, but I'm not bad. And so what this does, it gives you an opportunity to explore lifting up different sizes and so on and so forth. And so you don't have to have anything that's heavy. As a matter of fact, lighter and more delicate things can be even more challenging. Now, once you've gone over to one side of the chopstick, go ahead and just begin bringing it back onto this side. And I'll go back and forth 2 or 3 times. I do this 2 or 3 times a week just to keep my digital dexterity moving along, growing, shifting. So there's all sorts of things you've seen on my video before on my YouTube channel. Here, we'll pick up 2 at a time. How's that? About digital dexterity, either just doing things with your individual fingers or using the balls. This is just one more way to approach it. Remember, keep your training, your essential movement practices, keep them diverse. Don't keep doing the same thing over and over. I use numerous things, ropes and sticks and clubs and maces and all sorts of things. So that's the basic idea. The more that you practice with both hands, the better you'll get, of course. And remember, start with your dominant hand because that's your teacher. Then when you go to the other hand, you've got your student. And so your student gets to explore what the teacher has just demonstrated, right? Teacher demonstrates, and the student follows along, right? So it's all part of the game. Enjoy.